Hello everyone, I hope you all are keeping well. So, guys, today I'm going to tell you about some food that help to keep you warm during winter. So, I've compiled a list, so I'm going to share with you all. So, number one is ginger. It is one of the most medically blessed spices in the Indian kitchen. It contains antioxidants that help build strong resistance. If taken daily in small quantities, it not only keeps the body warm but also cure ulcer, mild fever, acidity, common cold, cough, etc. Second, ghee. No doubt the excessive consumption of ghee can create health problems, but only if the intake is excessive and is coupled with lack of physical exercise. Otherwise, it is rich with antioxidants and act as an aid in the absorption of vitamin and minerals from other foods. It is also good for skin, hair, as well as it helps to keep you warm during the winter season. Now the next is egg. Egg are in huge demand in winter because they are not just powerhouse of energy but are also filled with protein and vitamins that help body fight infection in winters. Next is garlic. As winter is said to affect the proper functioning of the heart, the reason behind maximum heart attacks in this season, garlic become an essential item to be included in food as it not only controls blood pressure and ensures proper flow of blood but also keeps the body warm and energetic. Next is tulsi. Tulsi is rich in vitamin A, C, calcium, zinc and iron. Tulsi helps body fight all cold-borne disease like cough, cold, sinus, pneumonia and other respiratory disorders. It is also a powerful antiseptic and anti-malarial agent. So, tulsi is very good during the winter season. Taken raw with pepper and honey in empty stomach, it is excellent remedy for cold and cough. Next is pepper. Pepper with its antioxidant and antibacterial property is a must-have in winters. Besides keeping the body warm, it also cures cold, cough and sinus. Next is ashwagandha. Ashwagandha has a rejuvenating effect on body. It is a stress buster and due to its warm effect, its consumption is recommended in winter. A popular ingredient of Ayurvedic tonic, it induces sleep, prevents water retention in the body and improves the immunity. Next is mustard. Winter food should be cooked in mustard oil as it not only improves the metabolism rate but also has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. It is rich in micronutrients like selenium, magnesium, zinc, calcium and omega 3. It is also good for your skin and hair. Mustard oil can be applied all over the body before taking a bath as a cure for dry skin. Next is saffron. Saffron or kesar has been hailed as a source of beauty and health since times immemorial. When consumed with milk, it increases body resistance and when mixed with cream and applied on face, it makes skin clean, spotless and radiant. In winter, it can be boiled with raisin, milk and almond and taken daily before going to sleep. Next is nutmeg. Nutmeg is believed to be the warmest of all the spices and is generally used in winter to keep warm. Nutmeg is mixed with milk and should be taken during the winter. It is very good to induce a good sleep and keep you warm. Next is turmeric. A pinch of turmeric boiled with milk and taken warm not just reduces the inflammation in the body but also keeps the body hot from within. Next is amla. Amla is among the richest source of vitamin C. Amla is good for liver, digestion, skin, hair and control acidity, blood sugar and cholesterol. It is major ingredient in Chyawanprash taken during winter. Chutney of fresh amla powder or amla cooked in sugar syrup taken every day during winter improves the immunity. Next is honey. Honey is considered warm and hence its excessive intake in summer is forbidden. It is a must ingredient in Ayurvedic medicine for cold and cough. It contains small quantity of antigens found in flowers and help in building up immunity. Next is sesame or til. Pancakes, sticky candies, sweet balls and chickies and Sesame forms are a part of winter cuisine and rituals in India. This ensures that even the poor have the required intake of sesame seeds to keep them warm. Sesame paste, when applied on hair, help cure dandruff. Infusion of sesame help cure chronic respiratory disorders like pneumonia, bronchitis, and asthma. Next is nuts. Nuts are a natural source of antioxidant and are rich in vitamin and minerals. They are widely used in winter in form of chikkis, laddu, powdered nuts taken with milk and honey is the best way to keep body warm within. So guys, you cannot fight with these chilly weather or blankets and blazer, but food plays a very important role in keeping us healthy during the winter month. Food is the cause and cure of most of the disease. So today I've shared a compiled list with you that the food which keep you healthy during the winter season and keep you warm during the winter season. Last but not the least is jaggery. It is considered a warm food and can be consumed in a variety of ways. It is healthier than sugar as it contains a number of vitamins and minerals like phosphorus, iron, magnesium, and potassium, and is natural cure for cough, cold, migraine, asthma, fatigue, and indigestion. So, consuming jaggery in winter help in generating enough heat in the body, thus keeping you warm inside. So, I hope, guys, this video is going to be helpful for all of you. And if you like this video, then kindly go and share with your family and friend. And stay tuned for my next video. Take care. Bye bye.